Alright, so question number 6 asks you to draw beta D glucopyranacil 1,1 alpha D fructofuranocide. Alright, so the structure of this is shown here. There's a couple parts I want to call your attention to. So first of all, right here, this part we have the glucose, it's D-glucose, and it's a 6-member ring form, the pyranacil form. And specifically it is beta because we have the oxygen right here going in the upward direction, or in the same direction I should say, as the CH2OH group. So this would be the beta form. Right. It's important to note that, remember, we commonly will show the oxygens that bridge sugars with these kind of little up and over sort of lines. All right, this little part I boxed in here, that is not a carbon atom. All right, so you can draw it like this, and I understand that that's not a carbon atom. All right, it's just showing that the oxygen is going up and then bridging over to the next sugar. All right, now the next sugar is fructofuranocide. So it's the 5-membered ring form of fructose. So we have the up, down, up pattern of the CH2OH, OH, OH. All right, here on carbon 2 now, we want the oxygen to be on the alpha side, so the opposite side of the ring is the CH2OH group, so it'd be going downward. And then oh sorry, my bad. All right, I actually linked the wrong sugars. All right, so let's do this real quickly again. All right, so I'm actually going to draw it down here to give myself enough room to show the linkages. All right, you could draw a really long squiggly line if you need to link these two. So I accidentally joined together carbon 1 of glucose and carbon 2 of fructose. All right, so in this case, I'm asked to join together carbon 1 of both of them. Well, here we have carbon 1 of glucose, and so let's draw a fructose real quick. CH2OH going down, got our 5-membered ring, down, and then up with the OHs here. Right, and it is alpha, so we want the OH group on the anomeric carbon to be going to the opposite side as our CH2OH group, so it'd be going down here. All right, then we have coming up here, normally would be our CH2OH group, but it's going to be just CH2 because we're going to connect that alcohol on that carbon, carbon 1, to carbon number 1 of the glucose. So your structure should look something like this. I'm just going to improve this one OH here. It's a little bit better looking. There we go. So your structure should look something like this for problem number 6.